Smelly feet aren't fun for anyone, but there is an effective, simple and cheap treatment that you can use at home which will banish food odor within a week. So in this video, let us see why does our feet smell weird and how to reduce it. Anyone can get sweaty feet regardless of the temperature or time of the year. But teenagers and pregnant women are especially prone because hormonal changes make them sweat more. You're also more likely to have foot perspiration if you're on your feet all day, if you're under a lot of stress, or if you have a medical condition called hyperhidrosis, which makes you sweat more than usual. Fungal infections such as athlete's foot can also lead to bad foot odor. Bacteria on the skin break down sweat as it comes from the pores. A cheesy odor is released as the sweat decomposes. Your feet sweat into your shoes all day so that they get damp and bacteria start to grow. The bacteria continue to breed once you have taken your shoes off, especially if you put them in a dark cupboard. Then, when you put your shoes back on the next day, even if you have just had a shower, putting your feet into still damp shoes creates the perfect conditions for the bacteria to thrive, warm, dark and moist. So let us see how to reduce it. The good news is that there's a simple, quick, surefire solution to smelly feet. Wash your feet with an antibacterial soap called Hebe Scrub. There are lots of over-the-counter food hygiene products at your local chemist, but Hebe Scrub is the best one. Never wear the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row. Instead, wear different shoes on successive days so they have at least 24 hours to dry out. Make sure teenage boys have 2 pairs of trainers so that they don't have to wear the same pair for 2 or more consecutive days. Wash and dry your feet every day and change your socks at least once a day. Keep your toenails short and clean. Remove any hard skin with a foot file. Hard skin can become soggy when damp, which provides an ideal home for bacteria. Use a spray deodorant or antiperspirant on your feet. A normal underarm deodorant or antiperspirant works just as well as a specialist foot product and will cost you less. Try feet fresh socks. Some sports socks have ventilation panels to keep feet dry, and antibacterial socks are impregnated with chemicals to discourage the odor-producing bacteria that feed on sweat. Wear leather or canvas shoes as they let your feet breathe, unlike plastic ones. Wear open-toed sandals in summer and go barefoot at home in the evenings. So to conclude, our feet smell due to bacteria growth without air circulation, which is not so serious to think about. Smelly feet are a harmless problem that generally clears up. Sometimes, however, it can be a sign of a medical condition. See your physician if simple measures to reduce your feet odor don't help, or if you are worried that your level of sweat is abnormally high.